Unfortunately, yes. Most of the time when grade 12 employees are part of your assessment process, where we do a full diagnostic assessment of NQF1, English and Maths, they are placed on ABIT levels. It can be for a variety of reasons, like the normal regression. It's been a long time ago that you did that at school and you haven't been using that, for example, like maths or your numeracy. And it can be that when you completed grade 12, you got E's and F's, meaning, you're at 30 something percentage. So unfortunately, you were never really competent. And then it will be shown in your placement assessment. I think when a grade 12 employee wants to do ABIT, and especially if they've gone through our motivation sessions that we've been telling you about in one of our previous videos, they know that they are not okay, and they know that they need this basic training. So yes, it can happen. There's nothing wrong with it. It doesn't mean something, IQ-wise or something like that. It means it is a gap in training, and it means that the right point of starting with your training and to maybe prepare for learnerships will be at an ABIT level. Many companies share these hurdles. Book a quick chat for answers for your site.